Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make perfect cooked rice. So here I'm going to take basmati rice. This is long grain rice and I'm taking 2 cups of rice here. Next I'm going to add 3.5 cup of water. Same glass I have taken for measurement. So I'm going to add 3.5 cups of water here. So if you are taking 1 cup rice, 1.5 cup of water. 2 cups, 3.5. 3 cups, 5.5. So here I've added 1 tablespoon oil, little salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Adding cumin seed brings a nice rich flavor to the rice. It's bring a nice aroma to the rice when it's cooked. So we will wait for this consistency. When the water starts bubbling, you can see little water is there. Turn the gas stove off. I'm cooking this on medium heat only. So once the bubbles start coming, turn it off and let it cook in the heat of the rice steam. Now it's perfectly done, ready to be served. Here you can see how perfectly they have cooked. So here I'm putting all the rice in the rice bowl. This I made for lunch. So I'm going to serve this with chicken curry that I made, Indian chicken curry. So the rice that I have taken, I will mention it in the description below. Also, I will mention the product in the video. So you can see the rice that I have used here. This is long grain basmati rice. Very flavorful. The basmati rice has its own flavor. Also adding cumin seed and oil make it very more tastier. So here you can see how good the rice looks. Now we're going to serve this for our lunch and I'm going to serve this on a plate now. Made some chicken curry. I hope you enjoyed the video recipe. See you soon with new video again. Till then, bye bye and take care.